Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Thursday, May 8th, 2014. It's now 6:17 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We had another exciting and volatile day today. It looked as if the markets were going to run up, but the U.S. equity markets closed mixed, with the NASDAQ and S&P closing down and the Dow closing up. The S&P was down. Price remains in the long-term uptrend channel. It also continues to consolidate within the light blue rectangle. Support is at 1807 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 1885 as seen by the pink oval. The NASDAQ was also down. Price remains in the short-term downtrend channel. A close above 3600 will change our sentiment to bullish. The Fibonacci 100% retracement level is at 3441. The US dollar closed up. Price is approaching the old support level and maybe the new resistance level at 21.24, as seen by the green oval. The next lower support level is at 20.84. Resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Thursday, May 8th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are 2 strong currencies and 2 weak currencies. The qualified pairs are the Euro Aussie dollar, the Aussie US dollar, the Euro CAD, and the US dollar CAD. And here's our trade summary chart for May. For open trades, our pound US dollar trade remains open. Target number 3 is set at 2.000. Our stop loss remains at 1.6886. No new orders were entered today. Let's first look at the price chart for our open trade on the pound US dollar. We're still long 2 micros. Target number 3 is up at 2.000. Our stop loss is at 1.6886. Let's now look at the price charts for our 4 qualified pairs. The first is the Euro Aussie dollar. We're in a medium-term downtrend channel, and this would be a bearish trade. The second pair is the Aussie US dollar. This is in a medium-term uptrend channel, and this would be a bullish trade. The third pair is the Euro Canadian dollar. This is in a short-term downtrend channel. It would be a bearish trade. However, we would be trading into the bottom of this long-term uptrend channel. The last pair is the US Canadian dollar. This is in a short-term downtrend channel, and it would be a bearish trade. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the 2 indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US Dollar Index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.